Hey, good evening. My name is Brett Martin, and I'm the founder of Mama Pop Business Funding. And before you leave, we're only 5 seconds in, and some of you are already saying, I'm out of here. Who am I? Let me tell you who I am. So I am the #1 producer that's ever been in this industry. If you're looking to make a really large amount of money or great money, part-time or full-time, the bottom line is you found the short line at the post office. This industry is for you. Doesn't matter whether you get on board with my organization or any other organization. I can tell you right now, get in this industry. It is a gold rush. I've been saying it's a gold rush since 2007 when I first got in this industry. I was telling friends and family about it. And by the time I got to 2009, I was training friends and family on how to do this. I had become the #1 producer in the industry. No one's even come close to me in volume since then. There's a very famous guy in the industry. His name is Juan Monegro with Yellowstone Capital. You can look the article up. In 2015, he closed 2,351 of these loans in a 1-year period. My first year in this business, I didn't know what I was doing, and I closed a little over 5,500 of these loans that year. My second year in the business, I closed a little over 10,000 of these loans. And my third year in the business, in September of 2009, I quit producing. I started training people how to do this, friends and family, and I had closed a little over 25,000 of these loans in less than 3 years. So that's what I'm going to teach in my class. I've got a class coming up. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's an hour and a half long. Some of you say, oh my God, a class. This is not a real estate license where you got to get 150 hours worth of class time in before you can even get your damn license. And then you're going to starve to death the first 5 years as a realtor or a mortgage broker. It's not what this is. This is an opportunity for you to hit the ground running after day one and start making money your first week, if not your second week. It is very common with our organization and other organizations in this industry. Just look around. It's all over the World Wide Web. You could see people touting about how you can make $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $40,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $60,000 a month out there in this industry. It's everywhere. So I'm going to teach you how I did it, where I went, what I said, how I said it, and when I said it. It's very important that you understand, there's more than just where are the markets, Mr. Martin. The markets are one thing, but understanding how to approach these markets, like as an example, you're not going to call a hotel on the phone or work with a hotel in person, or one of my 2 other methods that I use to access companies like hotels. Well, they're involved in checking people out at 9 or 10 or 11 a.m. in the morning. That'd be stupid. So I'm also going to teach you what time of day to go out to these certain markets. So there's no stone unturned in my training. My training's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning. About an hour and a half long, 2 hours long, depending on how involved you get. I've got idiots that have done this and made over $1 million their first year. I've got people in there that are teens, 17, 18, 19-year-olds. I would say 150 minimum, we figure, that I've trained that have made that type of money their first year. The average person in this industry makes a little over $300,000 their first year. The above average person makes a little over $750,000 their first year. I mean, these are the types of numbers that cardiologists make, folks, that attorneys make, that doctors make. And the funny part about it is you can do this part-time. You can do this from your home. This is primarily the way that people do this. So if you want to come and be part of this, I welcome you with open arms. All right? I'm going to teach you again where to go, what to say, how to say it, and when to say it. There is no stone unturned. You don't need to be freaked out. If you're all worried about the fact that there's a slight cost for this, which, by the way, I don't think I've mentioned it, is $99, I'll give you your money back when the class is over. I don't need your money. I don't want your money. That's not the reason why we're taking the money. The reason we're taking money is we were having 6,000 and 7,000 and 8,000 people a week hitting us with emails And we finally just had to say, you know what? We've grown to a point where we're one of the largest companies in the industry, and we've got to take it down quite a few notches. So we started charging a little fee. It's amazing to me how $99 can keep people from doing something that can change their life, financially speaking, for the rest of their life. Yet, interestingly enough, they'll go out and spend $99, on an evening in booze or, travel or, I don't know, some other thing, jeans or on a pair of shoes. It's like, really? And you won't invest this in your education? A slight education, by the way, which only takes 4 business days, an hour and a half long, to 2 hours, depending on how involved the class gets. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. If you can't make the class, it's no big deal. We send you a recording of the class after class is over each day. So today is Sunday, July 25th, 2021. My staff wanted to also have me mention, how do you make $1 million a year at this? Listen, you only need to do about 7 or 8 or 9, 10 of these loans a month in order to make $1 million a year, because the commissions are so high. So you don't have to do very many of these loans. The problem with this is that people get a $20,000 commission, and the first thing they do is they exit stage right and they go on vacation, or they go buy a car, or they go buy a boat, or they go buy a house. And somebody say, hey, you can't buy a house at 20 grand. Well, you could sure put money down. You can sure put money down on a car, a boat, a truck, a vacation. And people live on credit in this country. That's why we're in existence, is these business owners need money like the body needs blood. So if you're looking for a career change, if you're looking to make a lot of money in a short period of time for whatever reason, if you need to get back on your feet, it's a great industry, great opportunity for you. I'd love to see you on the other side. Now, if you do want leads, we offer 1,500 leads for another $400. So that's $499. So you got those 2 choices. Anyway, I'm Brett Martin. I'm the owner of Mom and Pop Business Funding, also the owner of the MCA University. I'm the founder of West Coast Business Funding and East Coast Business Funding and SubprimeBusinessFunding.com and the ISO Recruiting Company, platforms of which we've had in the past. But we started using this platform here, it's been about 7 or 8 years ago, and this platform has just blown up, and people love this platform. You get a landing page with this. I'll go over that in class so that you can send people to the website. So anyway, if you want to get involved, just go to www.mpbusinessfunding.com. M is short for mom, P is short for business, mpbusinessfunding.com. Go to the work from home tab, get signed up. Let's get you in class. Let's get you going. And within a week or 2, you'll start making money, more money than you've ever imagined, and you're no longer going to have to work for the man. Peace. My name is Brett Martin. Thanks again for joining me this evening, July 25th, 2021. I hope to see you on the other side. If not, we're always here. Come on back. I'll be here next year, next month, 2 years from now, and we'd be more than willing to welcome you in there. Bye now.